Traditionally, network traffic analysis requires deploying multiple probes or analyzers at each switch, along with manual configuration of port mirroring on a switch-by-switch basis, an approach that is time-consuming, costly, and inefficient. Introducing IP Jackfield, a virtual network patch panel that delivers real-time, pervasive visibility and precise traffic investigation. IP Jackfield eliminates complexity by enabling centralized investigation across any interface, while communicating safely with the network fabric to control packet-level actions like filtering, mirroring, and forwarding, all without added hardware or manual reconfiguration. IP Jackfield enables capture and investigation of live traffic, tracing of flow dynamics, and evaluation of behavior across the network. Teams can easily isolate traffic, trace multicast groups, and compare behavior across multiple hops from source to destination. One platform that unifies performance, security, and media workflows, delivering total network clarity from a single, centralized vantage point. Ready to take control of your network? Request a personalized demo at providius.com/demo and see how IP Jackfield simplifies complex investigations.